Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make these two adorable bows using satin ribbon. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I've folded it in half. I'm going to lay it into my mini Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I'm going to take my tails and just lay those down in here. Then I'm going to take my satin, I'm going to twist it really well because that's going to hold everything down into my mini Bowdabra. And I'm going to fold it, and again I'm going to twist it all the way around and scrunch it into my mini Bowdabra. The twisting it all the way around is what's going to help it stay because the satin is very slippery. So again, we're going to twist it and scrunch it in. And we're going to fold it, and we're going to do a 3-2-1 bow here. So we're going to twist it and scrunch that in. I'm going to fold it back, and again I'm going to do a solid twist, scrunch that in, and then I'm going to make my last little loop and scrunch that in there. Then I'm going to cut my end. So the last loop we're not going to twist on. We're just scrunching it in. Then I'm going to take my wand to give everything a very good puff and push down, pull it out, take my wire, bring it through the slip knot. Again, I'm going to hold everything really tight, pull it out of the Bowdabra, separate the ends, bring it around to the back. I'm going to tie a knot and tie a double knot. And this could be a very pretty hair bow or gift bow. And then what I'm going to do is just bring my center loop up, and I have to cut this. Let's trim this down just a little bit here. So I'll bring my center loop up and just kind of bring everything in. Again, this is not a wired ribbon. So you kind of have to just puff it a little bit, and there you have this adorable little bow. The next thing that we're going to do is take another piece of a single-faced satin, and I'm going to just cut a piece for my tails. And this time I'm going to show you how to make a boutique bow. So we're going to pat there. Bring this here and take a piece of my Bowdabra bow wire and fold it in half so it's long enough to go into my mini Bowdabra and stay out of my way. Just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. I'll put my little tails in, and again I'm going to do my little mountain in the middle and scrunch that in. And then I'm going to what we're going to do with this bow is make a boutique bow. So let's just cut a piece here. I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to take the center. I'm going to do a little mountain in the middle, which is basically I just put a mountain and then the two sides will come up. And I'm going to take this loop here and bring it around. And again, I'm going to just do my little mountain and scrunch that in and leave that the way it is. Then I'm going to take this one, bring it around, again take the side here and just bring that down in. So now you can see I have an X. Then I'm going to just take my bottom loop and go into the center, scrunch that in, and do the same thing with the top loop, do my little mountain, scrunch that in. See, the satin will pop out, so you have to really be careful with the satin because it's not a wired ribbon and it's a one-face-sided satin. So we're going to scrunch all that in there. Then I'm going to take my wire, bring it up, bring it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the mini Bowdabra, bring it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, tie a double knot, and I'm going to take this and just shape out my bow, shape my loops here, bring down my little tails, and you have this adorable little bow. Super simple, but it's a great way to work with double-faced satin, with single-faced satin.